kids! How are you today? Are you happy? Yes? This is your teacher Mabel, and today we will learn about big and small pets and farm animals. So, my friends, let's begin. Okay, my friends, so look, what animal is this? Yes, it's a cow. Very good. And is the cow big or small? Can you tell me, please? Yes, my friends, the cow is big. Excellent, my friends. Good job. Let's continue. Oh, look. What animal is this? Very good, my friends. It's a fish. Good job. And tell me, is the fish big or small? Can you tell me? Yes? Very good, my friend. The fish is small. Excellent. Let's continue. Look, what animal is this? Do you know? Very good, friends. It's a dog. Yes. And tell me, is the dog big or small? Yes, my friends. Perfect. The dog is big. Good job. And finally, look. What animal is this? Very good. It's a pig. Yes. And tell me, this pig is big or small? Yes, my friend. Very good. The pig is small. So, my friends, let's continue talking about big and small pets and farm animals in our English virtual class. Okay? See you soon. Bye bye.